Hi, warriors. This is Jalen, my legal warrior. And today we have a power couple from Rawlins Law. Ashley Rawlins, she is the founder of Rawlins Law, which is a personal injury law firm here in San Diego. And we also have Trent Rawlins, who is a case manager who works along his wife for Rawlins Law. He's also a heavyweight boxer and from Australia. Thank you guys for joining us on No Lives Matter Unless. I know that you two are starting up a nonprofit locally here in San Diego. Can you tell us what inspired you to start the nonprofit?
Yeah, so I've always had a heart to start a nonprofit and to help underprivileged youth and people, that might not have the opportunity, but they have the ability, but they might just not have the opportunity to go to school or to have the same circumstances as everybody else. So it's always been a passion of mine. I'll let Trent explain kind of how it's developed.
Well, thank you for having us, Jalen. It's an honor to be on your show. I feel that minorities, need a lot of help here because of a systematic, racist system that is here in the United States, unfortunately. So, we want to help minorities with legal advice, particularly minorities that feel that they're innocent and they feel they need a voice to speak for them, to fight for them. They might not be able to afford legal advice, and they might be put in a position where they're put in jail and they have a public defender who has so much on their plate that they just can't do the justice for that particular person. So we want to be able to come in and provide, advice for them, provide, possible legal, help as well for those that, just can't afford it.
Is there anything in addition to that that you guys would like to add in terms of how you're using your business and or your socioeconomic status to fight against systematic racism?
Yeah, so the idea of the nonprofit is, in addition to legal advice and help, we kind of want it to have as like a hub. So we want to eventually have, therapists, psychiatrists, and we want to also offer scholarship opportunities. So not just legal, but we kind of want it as like a hub, a safe haven where people can come to us as a group, and there's going to be a group of professionals of all backgrounds that can, help them, whether it's legal, counseling, or offer scholarship opportunities. So it's kind of like a safe place to be able to show them that, they can have the ability and chance to get out there and do something with their lives as well. So that's kind of our vision with that.
And if individuals wanted to get a hold of you guys to get involved with a nonprofit or to further their discussions on systematic racism, how can they get a hold of you?
Sure. Well, my email address is Trent, Trent, at Rawlins, Rawlins, firm.com. And Ashley's email address is ashley at rawlinsfirm.com. And you can also find us on social media, Instagram and Facebook.
Yeah, and keep your eyes peeled. We're in the works of, picking the name and getting everything moving. So as soon as we have the name for the nonprofit, Trent and I will be sharing everything on our social media as well. Looking for volunteers and excited to be able to help everybody in the community as much as possible.
Especially during these times, it's so much needed at the moment.
Well, thank you each for being on No Lives Matter Unless. I definitely appreciate your time and your efforts to educate and inspire and empower our viewership to take action, and hopefully they'll be so much empowered that they want to get involved with your nonprofit. So thanks again, you guys.
Thank you for having us on your show, and No Lives Matter Unless. I like it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.